The launch of NASA's Artemis 2 mission to send humans back to the moon has been delayed to March. Here's everything you need to know. Yesterday, NASA ran what's called a wet dress rehearsal. Think of it kind of like a full practice run where they load the rocket full of fuel and go through every single launch procedure, just to make sure everything works before they actually put the astronauts on board. But they hit a problem, and it's actually the very same problem that Artemis 1 had back in 2022, a liquid hydrogen leak. Now, since they have dealt with this before, they tried the same fixes they learnt last time, and at first it seemed like it worked. The fuel tanks got fully loaded and everything looked good to go. The closeout crew sealed up the Orion spacecraft, cleared the launch pad, and the countdown was rolling. Then, with just 5 minutes left before their practice launch, the system detected a spike in the hydrogen leak, and they had to stop. So what happens now? Well, NASA has launch windows in February, March, and April, so they're going to take the next few weeks to try and solve this problem and aim for another attempt in March. Here's the thing though. Issues like this are pretty normal in spaceflight, and NASA isn't going to take any chances when there are 4 astronauts riding on this rocket. The Apollo missions went through a very similar process when they were testing, and they still put humans on the moon. This is only the second time the SLS rocket will have ever launched, so there is still lots of learning to do. Artemis 1 was delayed a full 6 months with this hydrogen leak problem, but hopefully with everything they've learned, they can fix it faster this time. I'll be out there in Florida when this thing finally launches, so make sure you're subscribed so I can keep you updated.